Alright, so hey guys, apologize for the lighting. It's early morning. Well, it's not that early anymore. I got up at 7, try and get some stuff done before the Texas heat rolls in here, but it's already pretty hot. This is shirt number 2 for the morning. I was hopefully going to finish the Big Bear brake caliper swap video, but it's being a bear. And I'm still working on trying to get that front axle bolt out. It's seized up pretty good in the wheel bearing. So instead, shifting gears, back to the Ram 2500 2004. For some reason, when I bought this truck, and I didn't notice it, and it may not have been there when I bought the truck, but I've not had any incidents that I'm aware of. But this back taillight right here has a crack in it. You can see that, hopefully you can see that. It's got this crack right here. And it has spread a little bit while driving. I wasn't going to worry about it at first. And it's a pretty expensive light from Mopar. So I'm going with an aftermarket, I think something I bought off of eBay, some more fancy, if you will, LEDs. The factory lights are LEDs as well. The only difference that you have to watch out for is if you have blind spot monitoring or backup assist, the alarm when you have cross traffic and stuff like that. None of the lights come with that module, but you can swap the module. So we're about to begin that adventure and see how that goes. I've got a T20 Torx screwdriver, and that's the bolts that hold the lights on. So let's see how that goes, and I will let you know. Okay, so what we have here is here's the old light with the sensor in it for blind spot, and here's the new light that doesn't have the sensor. It just has this cover that comes off and you move the sensor over. One thing that they do is the sensor is wired inside, right? It doesn't have wiring on the outside, so there's this main port here, and that attaches to the lights as well as to this as part of the sensor. When I remove the old light, you see these pins. The new light came with these pins, and the old light has the pins, but they're still in the truck. So I don't know if we'll leave the old ones or just do the new ones, but either way, let me do a quick replacement here on the sensor and put it in there and see how it goes. Hey guys, one thing that came out about here was that I was trying to get this wiring connector off the old light, and if you notice on the old light and the new light, the way they set this up, it click locks in there. Then it has a little safety catch to keep it from accidentally unlocking, and this it looks like a heat sink, but I doubt it's a heat sink. My guess is it's a way that they direct the radio waves coming out of the antenna, because I think this is radar based. But anyway, see how this is right here? You have to remove these 2 screws, take this unit off to disconnect this plug. So I messed around with it for a few minutes before I realized that was the case, but hopefully that'll save you a little bit of time. Anyway, I'm putting this back into the new light fixture, and we'll kind of see how this goes. I gotta put this camera down, but all right. Well, hey guys, got the truck button back up. In the end, I ended up having to use the new little push pins to anchor the front edge of the light, and that was because you can't really get the light into the old ones with the connector connected. It wasn't going to work out. I could get one on there, but I couldn't get both. So I ended up pulling out those push pins and putting in using the ones that came with the lights. But I'll put the link to the lights in the description. But they're LED. They look pretty good. The old ones, of course, were LED as well, but they had that crack. So I don't know if that was my fault, somebody else's fault, or just came that way from the manufacturer, but I find a lot of little things that seem to come from the manufacturer the more time I spend on this truck. Areas that are missing paint behind the lights and stuff, little chips and things. It's kind of stupid, but I don't know. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next one.